Mike, Kapitän aus dem Cockpit. Wir sind mittlerweile im Anflug auf den Flughafen von Thessaloniki. Wir erwarten die Landung sehr, sehr früh heute. 42 auf der Landebahn. Das Wetter ist ja schön, so wie Sie es rechts und links sehen können. Bisschen allerdings im Moment kein Niederschlag oder ähnliches am Flughafen. Beobachtet die Temperatur 15 Grad Celsius. Wir im Cockpit kümmern uns jetzt um den Anflug, möchten uns deshalb an dieser Stelle bei Ihnen bedanken, dass Sie heute mit uns unterwegs waren. Wir hoffen, Sie haben sich hier bei uns an Bord wohlgefühlt und wir wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Aufenthalt in Thessaloniki und auch eine angenehme und sichere Weiter- oder Heimreise. Vielen Dank. Once again, your captain from the flight deck. We're in the approach to Thessaloniki Airport. Remaining flight time about 20 minutes from now. We expect to land on runway 16, so we expect an approach over the city, or just pass. We will pass the city during the approach. Weather is fine right now. Some clouds. Temperature 15 degrees Celsius and winds from west with about 12 kilometers an hour.
Eurowings Four Alpha Mike,
Thank you for flying with us today. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful Airbus A320 NEO, and we wish you
Eurowings Four Alpha Mike, normal speed.
Copy, normal speed for Eurowings Four Alpha Mike. Where you're traveling to today. Thank you. Okay, I'm back.
Roger.
Did I miss anything?
Normal speed now.
Normal speed, so then we can reduce a little bit, huh? What
If
do
you
you
wish,
think? It's, let's see, because we shouldn't be there too early, huh? What about this? Speed is managed, but then maybe we coming too high on the profile.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, okay, then let's do it different. Let's do an open descent, and let's keep the speed for a while. SAS Isle open descent, Alt Blue 130. Yeah, what about a briefing? We already discussed lots of things, but let's, if you are ready, we can do a briefing.
Okay, I can tell you something. We are expecting an ILS approach for runway 16 at Thessaloniki.
Yes.
We are expecting radar vectors, I think. I think the arrival is more or less obsolete, I think.
Maybe we don't fly it as it is in here with all that. So we entered the Aliko to Fox, but I do think we get vectors direct to final. What do you think?
Yeah, most probably.
Yeah.
If traffic permits there.
Yeah.
So I'd like to tell you something about the MSA, which is 4,500 feet in our approach sector, 5.5 in the go-around path. And ILS starts out of an altitude of 2,560 feet at 10 miles of the Micra VOR DME.
Yeah.
And then we're expecting a 3-degree profile, and our minimum is 470 feet.
Yeah. Let me see.
No, it's 220.
No, sorry. You just need to. We need to update that. Sorry. So let me just go over here. Give me a second. I don't know. This was from the other approach. We just changed it. So the minimum is 220 for our performance. Okay, Baro.
12765, jumping in, everyone good day.
And a missed approach straight ahead on runway track 7 miles of the ILS DME, thereafter a right turn to Micra VOR 3,500 feet as a maximum, and then we fly outbound, and at 15 miles we turn back inbound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a racetrack pattern on the final thereafter.
Yeah, copy that.
Extra fuel looks good, and we have 900 kilograms extra, which is a time of 28 minutes.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, fine. So we do this ILS approach like we usually do it. Use the flight director and the autopilot. Later on I switch off the autopilot, then we continue with flight director. Maybe I keep the auto thrust on. And landing on the runway 16 would be distance-wise not a problem, so we calculated the landing distance. Just give me a second here. So this is our new tool. Landing distance is 1,626 meters factorized, and we have a margin of 798 meters. This is with
my contact Thessaloniki radar 1208.
120.8, bye-bye, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike. Makedonia, Yasa, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike out of 211, descending 130 on course, Erana.
Eurowings Four I continue present heading, descent flight level 110, factoring ILS 16.
Cockpit, we continue on present heading, expecting vectors for ILS runway 16, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike. Any speed for us?
No speed restrictions, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike.
Copy, all speed, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike.
Okay, present heading, and we are in heading and 110.
Yes.
And the approach for runway 16 is confirmed. Yeah, with the auto brake medium and max reverse, we do have a margin of 798 meters, so we can think about to cancel that if everything is fine. But anyhow, low and no was just a little bit of a margin, so I think maybe better to start with that. After landing, we have to leave the runway, and you have been there a while ago. I haven't been there for a while, so that means we will leave probably at the end or at Alpha 5.
Huh? 678.
And then we taxi back
What
via
is your
Alpha.
final requested level?
And then we expect to be turn right Alpha 4 or so, or what has been what was your experience as you have been there last time? What was your
last time was Alpha 4 and thereafter taxiing via Charlie and
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima Yassas, continue present heading, descent flight level 130, factoring ILS 16, number.
Okay, say again, so you're Alpha and then, say again?
Alpha, then Alpha 4 and then via Charlie.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
On stand 8 or something.
I got it, yeah. So we can switch on the APU and do single engine taxi in as special procedure.
Okay.
What do you think
I'll do
about that? Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. Do you have any more specials or threads or whatever?
The reason we have to cross an active runway, which is departure runway 28,
that's
so that's
correct.
a taxi hotspot.
This is a hotspot. We keep the eyes open there.
Yeah.
That's right. That makes sense because this is the departure runway.
Yep.
Yeah. The depart runway 28. Yeah. Wonderful. Okay.
Otherwise,
that's good.
I don't have any further things to discuss.
That sounds good. So then we just can get into sequence the flight plan, so we can sequence to, what do we take? The Mike Kilo Romeo 10 or so, huh? What do you think about
that would be, or 8 miles is the final descent point.
We can do this. We can even take that.
No,
so
no, 8 miles.
We can do this, the India Tango Sierra Lima 8, and this is 341.
That's confirmed,
and
yeah.
So what about that? Okay.
Looks better.
Yeah. So we need to increase speed a little bit to come down. We're way too early. What shall we do?
Better than too late.
Better than too late. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, so I think that's it. So the frequencies are double checked. So this is here India Tango Sierra Lima 110.3.
Yeah.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, continue descent altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1009er.
Descent altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1009er, Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike.
So, 6,000 blue, and set QNH, please.
QNH cross-checked, passing 3,000 feet now.
Checked. Good. There's one more thing. So we do have a 60 meters runway. This is different from what we usually have.
Yeah, you're right.
Usually we have 45. So
as you talked about the ILS identifier before, I already have it identified.
Same here. Yeah.
PFD.
So reducing the speed to 250.
I'm switching on the engine ATIS.
Very good.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, left on heading 120, descent altitude 3,500 feet, cleared ILS 16, report established.
Copy, left on heading 120, descending altitude 3,500 feet, cleared for the ILS approach runway 16. I call you established, 4 Alpha Mike.
So 3,500 blue.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, descent flight level 90.
As advised.
Descending flight level 90.
So engine ATIS is on.
Hellenic Air Force 678, contact Makedonia 129.675.
Makedonia 129.625, Hellenic Air Force 678, yes.
Negative, please confirm 129.675.
129.675.
So autopilot is off. Check. So we have 250, that's good.
Yep.
Arm approach.
Approach mode arm.
Get 1, glide slope localizer blue. Oh, nice weather.
Yeah.
Approach checklist.
Then we have approach. Baro reference.
QNH 1009.
QNH 1009, seatbelts.
On.
Minimum.
Baro 220.
Auto brake.
Medium.
And engine mode selector.
Norm.
Approach checklist complete.
Engine ATIS off, please. And if you agree, I take terrain on ND. There's no real weather threat in the approach, but maybe in the go around some mountains, mountainous weather. And by the way, we can accept the 3500. This is below MSA, but color coded. That's okay.
Perfect.
And we have even everything inside.
Yes.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, descent altitude 6,000 feet of QNH 1009.
Descending 6,000 feet, QNH 1009, Eurowings 5 Papa Lima.
Baby, we are that early. Can you say again, cabin crew landing, 10 minutes, no, that's 7 minutes to land over PA, just to make sure they're ready. Yeah, better. Then they know. This was a good shortcut here.
Yeah. So control layer here in this area is 3,000 feet, so 3,500 is totally fine.
That's okay. Manage speed. Activate approach phase.
Now managed, and approach phase is active.
Thank you.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, left on heading 120, reduce minimum clean.
Left heading 120, reducing minimum clean, Eurowings 5 Papa Lima.
Sure, 600 to go.
Yes, sir. So 1 mile to go for the intercept.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, descent altitude 3,500 feet, clear dial S16, report established.
Descending 3,500 feet, clear dial S16 will go.
It's checked, so it's another 15 miles to fly, huh? So that's good. So even we are now very good on the profile. Lockstar. And yeah, flaps 1, come on. Speed is checked, slow down a little bit.
Flaps 1. And Eurowings Four Alpha Mike established localizer for ILS approach runway 16, 13.4 miles.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, roger, number 1, contact tower 118.105.
118.105, yes sir, Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike.
Yes sir.
You know what, I have the runway already inside, 12 o'clock, huh?
Yes, just behind the city.
Yeah.
Makedonia Tower, yes sir, Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike. We are established on the ILS runway 16, 12 miles out.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, hello, continue approach, report 4 miles.
Copy it, call you at 4 miles, Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike.
Alstar.
Wetlash Ellis is Texas, manage Texas.
Light slope star. Set, go around altitude, I think this
already
is 3.5, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So the wind should be turning somehow, huh? According to what it said.
θέλετε να κινηθείτε?
Flaps 2.
Κάτι να απογείωση, για πάμε στην περιοχή Θερμαϊκός 2, 500 και κάτω για μια υδρολιβιά.
Οκ, ελεγχθεί. Καλά, είστε έτοιμοι.
Γεια σας.
2500. Check. Again.
Yeah.
Eurowings Four Alpha Mike, clear to land runway 16, wind 270 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear to land runway 16, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike.
Yeah. The wind will be turning.
Yeah, of course.
Just a matter of time.
9 knots on the nose.
Flaps 3.
Speed is checked. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
Landing. Yeah, but let's do a VLS check first and then a landing checklist.
Roger. 123 it should be, and it looks like, I would say 123. Looks
okay.
good to me.
Yeah, we added already 1 knot or so. Yeah,
that's
good.
Makedonia, Protest Alpha, άδεια για είσοδο στον 28 και παραμονή για 2 λεπτά.
Landing no blue.
And cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist
Protest
complete.
Alpha, line up and wait, runway 28. Traffic landing, runway 16.
Και έναν άνεμο παρακαλώ.
Protest Alpha indicated wind runway 28, 180 degrees, 5 knots.
Line up runway 28 and wait for 2 minutes, Protest Alpha.
And Eurowings Four Alpha Mike, passing 4 miles, ILS 16.
4 Alpha Mike, clear to land runway 16, updated wind 280 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear to land 16, Eurowings Four Alpha Mike, thank you.
Checked.
Checked.
Thessaloniki Tower, good day, Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, established ILS 16, 10 miles.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, hello, good afternoon, continue approach. Report 4 miles, final 16.
We report 4 miles, finals, Eurowings 5 Papa Lima.
Rosavia, 8 Papa requesting.
The puppy is on the right side.
Taxi, Charlie,
Yeah, normally it's on the left.
Yes.
Foxtrot 9er, holding point runway 28.
Alright, Charlie, Foxtrot 8, Foxtrot 9er, holding point runway 28. Yeah, 8 Papa.
Der Wind ist turning.
400.
Land.
Checked.
300. 100 above. Minimum
Continue.
200. $100. 40, 30, 20, retard, 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 retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green, brake medium, diesel.
Okay. Idle and
Auto brake
manual
on.
brakes. Not manual braking.
70 knots.
Checked. Oh, we keep it running.
Okay.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, vacate convenient left, taxi on Alpha, hold short of runway 28.
Cockpit vacating the runway at the end to the left, thereafter Alpha and hold short of runway 28. Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike.
Protest Alpha, hold position, another landing.
Alpha, κρατάμε τη θέση μας.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, 4 miles, final.
Continue approach.
Continue.
Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike, continue cross runway 1028. Alpha 4 Delta, stand 6.
Okay, crossing of runway 28 is approved. Thereafter Alpha 4 and Delta to stand number 6. Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike. Ευχαριστώ.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, wind...
so what's our earliest allowed arrival time at the gate?
It was, I think, 51.
Okay, then we taxi now 10 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
That's how it works. Crossing is approved.
Yes. Currently I don't see any traffic. There is a traffic taxiing towards the holding point.
And one is just landing, but there's nobody on runway 28, which is a factor for the moment. Huh?
That's true.
So what was our
landing time? Was 40, that means 40 seconds to go.
Okay. Yeah, single engine taxi in.
Eurowings Four Alpha Mike, expedite to cross runway 28.
Yeah. Okay, expedite taxiing to cross runway 28. Eurowings 4 Alpha Mike.
But anyhow, single engine taxi in, start procedure.
Yeah, then we turn off engine number 2. And the hydraulic pump is on.
Yeah.
The runway and approach path on my side looks clear, no traffic on the runway presently.
Approach path here is also clear.
And clear to cross.
So for runway 10.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, vacate left, Alpha 5 Alpha, hold short of runway 28.
Left Alpha 5 Alpha holding short 28, Eurowings 5 Papa Lima.
And after crossing we continue leisurely straight ahead.
Yeah.
And Alpha 4 is the second to the right.
Yeah.
Eurowings 5 Papa Lima, continue via Alpha, expedite to cross runway 1028, Alpha 4 Delta stand 10 Bravo.
Eurowings 5
so slow down a little bit.
On Alpha to cross
straight ahead here. The right turn would not be a good idea.
No.
The taxiway is closed.
Proteus Alpha, are you ready for departure?
For departure, Proteus Alpha.
Okay, wait 30 seconds for aircraft to cross the runway.
Waiting Proteus Alpha.
Proteus Alpha, the wind 210 degrees 5 knots, runway 28.
So it's the right turn here, Alpha 4, and thereafter the first to the right again.
Thank you.
From there on we continue to our stand.
And after landing checklist, whenever convenient.
Yeah, after landing, radar and predictive windshield system.
Off.
After landing checklist complete.
Line up
Thanks.
and wait behind.
Behind the departing Canadair.
And the right side is clear.
Yeah.
Behind. Yeah,
So there's a follow me, that means we go to the right.
Right here, it's now Delta.
And then we go to number 6, huh?
Yes, that should be
I see 3, I see 4.
Of our colleagues.
Yeah. So how many minutes are left? 5?
5 minutes left, yeah.
Αριστερά να ελευθερώσετε τη τελική του διαδρόμου 28 για απογείωση. Οι υδρολειψίες να γίνονται σε σημείο που να μην επηρεάζονται οι απογείωση από την 28. Επιβεβαιώστε 500 πόδια maximum.
Αλφα θα κινηθούν 500 και κάτω, περιοχή θερμαϊκός 2.
Λήφθη. Συνεχίστε και τα δύο αεροσκάφη αριστερά για να ελευθερώσετε τη
Yes, Alpha.
πάνω από 500 πόδια το Proteus.
Τα Alpha 500 για κάτω.
Transavia 88 Papa, the departing correct maximum 500 feet.
Roger, we're ready for departure.
Roger, Transavia 88 Papa. The wind 190 degrees 5 knots, runway 28 cleared for takeoff, and after airborne, contact Thessaloniki radar 120.8.
Lift takeoff runway 28 and when airborne 120.8, just on Transavia 88 Papa.
Yes.
Another 3 minutes, huh?
Yeah, I think that's impossible.
Impossible, huh?
We've done our best.
We've done our best. Okay, the parking brake is on.
And the APU bleed is on and the elect pump is off.
Continue procedure.
Then we're shutting off engine 1.
Very good.
Proteus Alpha, οι προθέσεις σας, πόση ώρα θα παραμείνετε περιοχή υδροληψίας και τι θα κάνετε στη συνέχεια?
Hold us in park.
Θα πάρουμε έναν αέριο εδώ κύριε και μετά θα ζητήσουμε άνωση για πανόρα 3000.
Οκ, καλέστε ολοκληρώνοντας την υδροληψία, ελάτε νοτιούς του Άντζελο και καλέστε να πάρετε οδηγίες για διασταύρωση.
Hello.
Νότια του Άντζελο και θα σας καλέσω πλάτη.
Ground from cockpit. Hello. It's difficult to hear you. Can you speak a little louder?
Now it's okay?
That's not okay, but it's better.
Okay, toxin position.
Okay.
You will see now to connect.
Okay, got that. And we need fuel, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Parking checklist.
Parking brake or shocks.
Parking brake is released.
Engines
off.
Wing lights
off.
And fuel pumps
off.
Parking checklist complete.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
How was it?
It was a good approach.
Was nice, huh?
Nice view.
Nice views of the city.
Yeah, definitely.
Was not too bad, and even originally we expected a longer approach. Just with this wind, we expected to go to the runway 34, and then we changed it to the 16, and finally.
On the other hand, they gave us vectors for a straight-in approach, so it's not our fault that we're too early today.
That's perfect. We're early, too early. You should arrive in 1 minute.
Yeah.
We tried everything to be not too early, but it didn't work out. So, but anyhow, they gave us vectors for approach, and even we had to fly. Yeah, thank you. And the power is on, so we can switch off the APU.
Perfect. That's
and even they asked us to fly faster. Then we wanted to fly. So they say keep high speed, and then we were high speed on the way to the original descent, and then we continued high speed because of the plane behind us. Okay. No. Very nice. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And see you next time.
Yeah. See you next time.
1050. Expect ILS approach. Runway in use 16 for arrival, runway 28 for departure. Transition level 75. Wind 290 degrees 6 knots. Variable between 270 and 330 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Clouds, view 2,500 feet. Temperature 15. 2.8. QNH 1010. No fix. Exit F6, closed part of taxiway Foxtrot from taxiway Alpha to taxiway F7, closed. Caution birds around the airport for clearance. Contact delivery 118.055, wind indicator runway 28 out of service. This was Thessaloniki, Makedonia Airport, ATIS information whiskey.
Okay.